How to delete your Uber account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can delete your Uber account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete our Uber account, all you have to do is just launch the Uber application. And once you launch the Uber app, you want to come to the account tab from the bottom right, go to the option called settings, go to the option called privacy, and go to privacy center from the very top of the screen. And then once you come to the option called privacy center, you'll see all this. Scroll down and look for the option called account deletion, and then just tap on account deletion button. So once you tap on the button that says account deletion over here, it will ask you to log into your Uber account basically. So I'm going to go ahead and then log into my Uber account. So once I go ahead and then enter my phone number, it will ask me to go ahead and then simply also sign into your account. I can simply choose to continue with Google, or I can select more options over here, send code via anything. I'll just select WhatsApp in this case. Now I'll just select the 4-digit code that was sent to my WhatsApp. So what I will do is, you can see I have successfully received the code. I'm just going to open it up, and then I'm just going to tap on it, and it's 6608. So come back and then just type in the code. Once I enter the code, all I have to do is verify it, and now you'll see this type of option. Right now you need to go ahead and simply continue with your Google account if your Google account is connected, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to successfully delete your Uber account. That's all it takes to delete your Uber account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.